In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Zoom on Windows 10. We'll use the Microsoft Store, so you get the official Zoom app safely and easily. This process is quick, and you only need a stable internet connection and your Windows 10 computer. I'll walk you through each part so nothing feels confusing. First, open the Microsoft Store. You can do this by clicking the Start button and typing Microsoft Store, then selecting the app from the search results. On some PCs, you might also see the Microsoft Store icon on the taskbar. If the store takes a moment to load, that's normal. Just let it open fully so you can use the search feature at the top. Once you're in the Microsoft Store, look for the search bar, usually at the top right. Click into it, type Zoom, and press Enter. You'll see a list of results. You're looking for the official Zoom app. It's typically labeled as Zoom or Zoom Cloud Meetings, and it's free. The official listing will show it's from the Zoom developer and will have a familiar blue video camera icon. If you see other results with similar names, make sure you choose the one that clearly represents the official Zoom application, not a third-party tool or guide. Select the Zoom result to open its app page. Here, you can quickly review the description and ratings to confirm you've got the right one. When you're ready, click the button that says Get or Install. The exact wording can vary slightly, but either option begins the download and installation. The store may show a progress ring or a downloading bar. Just let it complete. If the button briefly changes to a spinning indicator, that simply means the store is fetching the app and preparing it on your device. When the installation finishes, the button will change to Open. That's your confirmation that Zoom is now installed on your Windows 10 computer. You don't need to do anything else for the installation itself. That's all there is to it. From here, you'll be able to find Zoom in your Start menu's app list whenever you want to use it. If your store layout looks a little different, don't worry. Design updates happen occasionally, but the flow is the same. Open the Microsoft Store, search for Zoom, select the official app, and install it. And if the store is slow or doesn't load results, checking your internet connection and trying again usually resolves it. That's it. You've successfully installed Zoom on Windows 10 using the Microsoft Store.